Guten Tag und willkommen zurück. So, Helm ist wieder da. Das nehme ich mir mal alles mit, danke. Dann mache ich jetzt erstmal kurz meine Diener leer. Schicke die nochmal los und dann habe ich 2 große Sachen auf meiner Liste. Die ich erledigen will in dieser Folge. Das eine ist, ich will Simon Belmont klatschen. Und das zweite ist, ich habe mich entschieden, dass es Zeit für einen Tapetenwechsel ist. Und will dementsprechend das Schloss umziehen. Dementsprechend habe ich ein bisschen was zu erledigen dann. Da ist Saku. Und da ist Mo und dann haben wir es alle. Einmal sortieren, danke. So, hier ist nichts drin, was jetzt für mich relevant wäre. Was haben wir denn? Rottempler Stiefel, das kann quasi in den Verschlinger. So. Gut. Dann an den Loom. Wobei ich mir auch sage, ich packe jetzt erstmal Zeug um in die Kisten. Das wird nämlich auch das Problem, wenn ich dann den Umzug mache. Entschuldigung. Stoff. Alchemie. Oh. Coin. And this will be the great problem once I do the moving. I'll have to back up stuff. So let's send them out once more. That way they shouldn't be in the way once I move the castle. I send Frenchie and Helmet to do this. I send Farbor in Saku. No. No, let's send Farbor and Mo. 100%. Here they go. Coin. No. Let's put this. I'll send the two of them here. Here we go. Everyone's out. Now let me get ready for my task. I still have a few hours till I can finally do it. Do I have enough paper? Yeah, can research another weapon. Oh, double daggers. Blood daggers. So let me grab some drinks. Drop out this. Take this. I'll need holy resistance. I need fire resistance. Do I need unholy? I want chaos. I want one of these. I want one of these. The lurker. Do I need silver resistance? No. Do I need garlic resistance? I don't think so. Yeah, this should be it. Sorted, thank you. Let me change my spells. I think I'll go with Chaos Barrage. Yeah, let's hope this will work. Do I have... Is it even durable? Let's check if it's durable. If yes, I'll craft a jewel. Chaos. Salvo, barrier. Magic. Oh, still need some blood. Luckily, I remembered. Which also means this time we're going for the good stuff. Which means I think I'd go for the 100% barbarian stuff. No. Let's switch that. I'll keep it with the 79. Because I need the casting buffs. So let's see, where are you, Mr. Belmont? Here we go. Northwest, far away. Since the sun is going down, it's time to head out. Northwest, far away. Let's go here. Where is my friend? East, far, far away. southeast, far away. Yeah. Have to teleport. Northwest, close. Let's see where our friend may be. And I know he's not my friend. There he is. Which means I'll buff myself.
Imbued with chaos magics. Invigorating.
By the Belmont name,
Liquid
I will
magic.
vanquish you. Behold, my blessed blades! Your end descends! I've got you in my clutches, monster! Ride the righteous winds! Trembles under a Belmont's might. I vanquish the darkness! By the name Belmont, embrace the flames, foul creature! Ancestors, guide my axe! Your end descends! I've got you now! Ancestors, guide each strike! My axe vanquishes evil! It's the precision of a Belmont's blades! No monster can escape a Belmont's justice! Evil dies today! Your reign ends here! The Belmont's wrath is unstoppable! No monster shall escape my justice! Aha! I've got you now! I'll cut you down! Back to the shadows, creature of the night! Vampire! Your end is near! I stand unyielding. Axe vanquishes evil! My blades are guided by purpose! escape from judgment. Your darkness will be vanquished. Face me, monster. Ancestors guide my axe. I've got you in my clutches, monster. Trust the darkness.
Oh Mann!
Cannot.
Base respawn. Where did I die? I died here. Okay, let's come from here. Fortunately, my buffs work for nearly another hour. And of course, exactly that happened, which I didn't want to happen. I had to fight him in a closed area. Let me switch out my spells again. I'll go back to the unholy ones. And my Dead Knight. Didn't want to do that. Yeah, of course he's close. I just fought him around the corner. Don't have time for you guys. Everything, thank you.
You seek battle with Belmont? Your fate is sealed. Captures the wicked.
Na komm. Show yourself, Belmont. Of course he ran away.
You seek battle with a Belmont? Your fate is sealed. My daggers strike true! This whip captures the wicked! Destroy the enemies of good! Witness the power of Belmont! My whip is a torch that lights the path to your demise. Dagger strike true. My resolve is unshakable. Chase down the darkness! Monster can escape a Belmont's justice! They'll cut you down! Ride the righteous winds! Belmont's wrath is unstoppable! Show you the might of the House Belmont! I've got you in my clutches, monster! The axe vanquishes evil! Witness the precision of a Belmont blaze! It's a hunter's technique! Ancestors, guide my axe! Cut through the darkness! My axe vanquishes evil! My blades are guided by purpose! Through the darkness! This captures the wicked! I stand unyielding! Ancestors guide my axe!
No, this cannot be the end.
Ja, das ist schon besser gelaufen. But unfortunately, some... Okay, I get it, guy. Yeah, I know I'm dead. Respawn. I know why I said this guy is a butthole. Because he actually is. And of course he dragged the fight until morning. Because that's just how fucking Belmonts work. Go and piss yourself. Problem problem is this castle lot is a nice sunny place right now. Like everything, thank you. I gotta switch strategies right now. Since it's day and I don't want to get a massive sunburn. I'll retreat. Imbue my weapon with chaos, not chaos, with unholy. Go and play with someone who cares. This actually pisses me a little. Let me see if I can upgrade my Death Knight. Yeah, Death Knight was the one with the lower jewel. So, Death Knight. Craft another one. I don't have enough. Okay. Don't have enough mats. So yeah, let's throw this. The moon is up again, which means I can go out for a hunt again. But first, let's grab the right attribute.
By the powers of unholy shall we slay.
Okay, he was last seen here. So let's head here. He's very close. There he is. Okay, let's see, do we have a castle plot nearby where I can pull him? I want to fight him here on the crossroads. Let's go.
Behold the might of the Belmont bloodline! Witness a hunter's technique!
Yay, wasted my ult.
It's the precision of a Belmont's blade! Your end descends! Night trembles under a Belmont's might. Have at you! Your end descends! Can't escape justice! Prepare for your end! By the Belmont! Embrace the flame, foul creature! Have at you! Dagger strike true! I've got you now! Destroy enemies of gold! Evil dies today! My daggers strike true! I call on the holy wrath of my ancestors!
Ah.
Name, I will vanquish you! There is no escape from judgment! Face me, monster! You cannot penetrate my defenses! Trust the darkness! You cannot penetrate my defenses! Chase down the darkness! Can't escape justice!
Aua! Oh Mann, ey! Ah! Nicht den Windblade!
Prepare for your end! You cannot penetrate my defenses! Behold my blade! As one Belmont falls, another rises.
Die!
I feel stronger.
Whew. That was a hard one. But I finally defeated him. If I hadn't switched weapons during the fight, it would have been a bit easier. But now let's gather the spoils. Let's check the clock. Since the night is young. And I'm too ugly to care. Yeah. I'll get ready and do some preparations for the movement of the castle. Which means I'll deconstruct my workstations. I'll deconstruct the planting spots. Ooh. Another vampire head. A vampire hunter head. And I got a portal right next to me. Which means I can port out now. My Death Knight did a lot of heavy lifting this time. But that means I gotta set up a few more chests. Ooh, level 5. Let's equip that. Yeah, sure. I'll keep the tier 1. Let's show this in here. So what do we got here? This and this. I'll keep the head. Got everything? Sword? Let's empty out every workstation. Building, production, storage, large material storage, and throw everything over there that can get into. We got a few jewels. Throw out. Bones and stuff. Blood and iron. Sword. Scroll stuff stack. Fish again. Okay. Get my seeds closet. Get this one. Take everything. Take everything. Throw out everything. Take more of everything. Throw out everything. And throw out the rest of everything. Can I build a structure? A large coin storage? Let's not overdo it. Take everything and drop off everything. So let's empty out the workshop. Anything stored in here? No. Okay. So this is empty. This is empty and this is empty. Which means I'll put down a chest. Should be enough. Take everything. Let's empty out this crafting stations as well. Replicate empty. This is going to be a pain in the ass. Especially since I'm carrying around a lot of silver. Yeah. Which gets my ass burning. Throughout. When I'm here already. Sort out the shrooms. Sort out the grass. Nope. Bones. This one and this one. Sword. Alchemy stuff. I haven't claimed my rewards yet, which means I got to go Cape, San Belmont done. Next one would be Dantos, the Fanatic Smith. Nothing here anymore. Yeah, no, my house is burning again. But that should empty out my workshop. Emptying out blood presses. Alchemy lab. Since I'm only able to move my castle with everything, I'll try to reduce the number of items I have to move. Which means I'll set a box here. Rename it Workshop. Then I'll hit B. Undo that. Undo that. And then I'll drop off everything. Got the seats, okay. Now I only got the planting stations up there. Gardening plots. Okay, got this. Throwing out all the seeds. Okay. Gotta drop down a chest here. Gotta drop down a chest here. And one here. study. Mein Studienraum, my study. Alchemy. Let's empty this out. Jewels. So, Alchemielabor, das. Let's throw a chest down here. But here already got one. Which means I can now deconstruct this stuff. Once I've emptied it out. Gives me a lot more stuff to deal with. Which means I gotta do another run. One and this one. So let's deconstruct this room. And let's deconstruct it now. Okay. And let's rename it. Clothing. Let's deconstruct the loom. The stuff in there, yeah. I figured so much. Now be gone. You be gone. You be gone. You be gone. You be gone. Basics. Roll the stuff. This is done. This is done. Let's just rename it drop off. And now should be done. Except for the unused prison cells. Let's throw out the stuff. And the fish. Not alchemy, fish. Which means we are ready to move. Which I assume will be the first thing in the next episode. Until then, yours rather than. Bye.